Hi, we are the team number 7. We are going to talk about the customs clearance. My team is conformed by Cordero del Campo, Parra Gamis, Urbano Almaraz, and myself, Bosa Medrano. In this first point, we will talk about the previous acts that are the task of the verifier. But first, it is important to know what is a custom verifier. Commonly known as merchandise inspectors, they perform the custom recognition function. They are in charge of ensuring that the dispatch of the merchandise is carried out in accordance with the formalities that the customs law, its regulation, and the general rules on matter indicate for this purpose of what is prior recognition. Prior recognition is the power of the owner, consignee, or the principals to carry out in the presence of the depositary the verification of the situation and condition of the merchandise or to extract samples from it before the presentation of the merchandise declaration prior notice to the customs authority. Article 42. If the person who must file the petition ignores the characteristics of the goods in storage before customs, you can examine them for that purpose. The current wording of the article in question has allowed customs to have complete withdrawn shipments, different from those expressed in documents. The above, because two factors have coincidence with the present reform, will be corrected. The first is because the pre-recognition to which it does mention the article under study, and the second because at the time of crossing the merchandise talk, customs is touched green traffic light. The reform that arises from Article 42 of the Customs Law to impose on agents or customs agents in the clearance of the goods to be carried out by presenting as customs clearance, import or export motion on those the obligation to examine their characteristic in deposit in that room when they are. The reform will prevent importers or exporters from providing inaccurate data or documents or false, preventing the introduction of illicit merchandise or also evading the real tax rate. Previous acts Unit 2 MOA Data Transmission. Request to enter the facilities of the fiscal or supervised area in order to examine the merchandise goods dispatched. It will promote presenting the following documentation for this purpose: the air waybill or bill of lading duly revalidated in your name in original or a copy in cases where it is justified, depending on the case. In the event that the air waybill or bill of lading is not revalidated in the name of the customs agent or customs representative, the letter of entrustment must be presented.